Good afternoon to one and all. Welcome to Legal Matters by Sai Babu Sankara. You may be knowing so many ministers, so many officers and many judges. They will be going on for visits to other countries, maybe on official duty or maybe on private visit. During the year 2021, for that matter, during the year 2018 itself, the Government of India, Ministry of External Affairs, they gave a circular stating that even the judges who are going on private visits to other countries, they have to get political clearance. What is this political clearance, you may be knowing. So please remember, this was Delhi High Court very recently stated that such condition, that is political clearance, is not necessary for the High Court or Supreme Court judges. This was decided in the case of Aman Chandar versus Union of India. You can see the citation in 2022 live law, Delhi, page number 283. Right? Two judges, I will tell their names, Rajiv Shakdar and Justice Jasmeet Singh, held that the memo, the office memorandum dated 13/7/2021, which is requiring the judges to take political clearance for private foreign visits, is definitely not necessary. It is uncalled for. Why? So what is this political clearance? You must know. Normally, whenever any person he has to get visa, he will be vetted. That means his credentials will be checked, because he may be, is he posing a threat to the security of the nation, or is he going to mix with the unsocial elements or the political elements who are against to the government of India? May he do any harm to the sovereignty and the integrity of the nation? So normally a judge or any person, before getting visa, he will be vetted like this. But when this happens, when he intimates that he is going to on a private visit to his to foreign country, so normally it may be necessary for the government officers, because you have seen Visakhapatnam case where these people, naval officers, they have divulged all the information to Pakistani guards. Such trouble will be there. They may be participating in the foreign country. Maybe they might have gone as a just like visitor, but may go and they may give lectures against to the integrity of the nation. Therefore, all these things have to be clear. Therefore, political clearance is necessary in view of the Government of India memo dated 13/7/2021. Already, Supreme Court of India clearly stated that such clearance is not necessary for the court judges, because they are going in their personal capacity, not in their official capacity, or not to give any delivery. Just like very recently our Honorable Chief Justice of India, N.V. Ramana, he went to Dubai. So for official work, like that, if they go, okay, there may be some necessity formalities. But when you are going on a private visit, if you get the visa itself is sufficient, the political clearance is not at all necessary. Because when once they want the political clearance, definitely they may get some confidential information that this man is supporting communist people, this man may support the jihadis, like that they may write. So it's not proper. So a judge is a judge, and judiciary is above the scrutiny. That is according to Article 50 of the Constitution of India, Doctrine of Separation of Powers. So this memo will not apply to the judges. This is what is stated by this in this particular case by Justice Rajiv Shakdar and Justice Jasmeet Singh. Right? Aman Chandar, he contested the matter because people wanted political clearance from him. It is not correct. So please remember, even the High Court on May 25, 2012 delivered a judgment that, please remember, as far as this 2011 guidelines are concerned, it is not deemed fit to get the political check done by the government, the Ministry of External Affairs for going for private foreign visits. Please remember, private foreign visits is an important issue. So please remember, therefore, the official memo dated 13/7/2021 as far as the political clearance to the High Court judges and Supreme Court judges, it is stuck down, it is articulated, it is not good law, right? Please remember. In this connection, when the Supreme Court asked the Solicitor General of India, he stated that, so this is a peculiar thing, he stated that if at all something happens when this man, judge is a judge, even on a private visit, when something happens to him, the commission or the ambassador or the consulate may come to his rescue. Further, the political clearance is necessary. Then the court said, not for the judge, even for a civilian, if something happens, the commissionerate or the consulate, they have to take necessary action. Why separately for judges? So ultimately, it is clear that the vetting procedure or the political clearance procedure issued in the memo dated 13/7/2021 by 2011 by the so-called Ministry of External Affairs is struck down by the Delhi High Court, right? If you know this much, this is sufficient. To conclude, I want to tell you that if any judge wants to go on a personal visit, on a private visit to any foreign country, the political clearance is not at all necessary as far as this judgment is concerned. Okay, thank you very much.